How to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to cash out Solana from your Phantom Wallet. This step-by-step guide will make the process super easy, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Once you've got that open, log into your account as you normally would. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see the home screen of your Phantom Wallet. Here, you're going to notice a Send button. Tap on that. Next, you need to select Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to provide the recipient's details. You'll need the deposit address of the exchange where you want to withdraw your Solana. For this example, we'll use Binance. You'll need to get the deposit address from Binance. Open your Binance mobile app, tap on the Add Funds button at the top, and then select Deposit Crypto. From the list of cryptocurrencies, search for Solana and select it. Make sure to choose the Solana network, and you'll be shown the Solana network QR code along with the deposit address. Copy this deposit address by clicking on Copy icon. Now head back to your Phantom Wallet and paste the address into the required field. Once that's done, press Next at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Go ahead and enter the amount you want to send, then press Next again. Finally, initiate the transfer and confirm the transaction. After a short while, your Solana will be successfully cashed out from your Phantom Wallet and deposited into your Binance account. And this is how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.